What if I told you that a strip of water barely 33 kilometers wide controls nearly one-fifth of world's oil supply? That every day supertankers carrying millions of barrels of crude oil must squeeze through a narrow maritime corridor where a single disruption could shake global markets overnight. This is the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most strategic energy choke point. The Strait of Hormuz connects two major bodies of water, the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. The Persian Gulf is an inland sea surrounded by oil-rich Middle Eastern nations. The Gulf of Oman opens into the Arabian Sea, which then connects to the Indian Ocean. The Strait of Hormuz is about 167 kilometers long and width of the strait varying from 96 kilometers to 39 kilometers. But at its narrowest point, the Strait of Hormuz is about 33 kilometers wide. But here's the catch. The shipping lanes are only about 3 kilometers wide in each direction. That means oil tankers are navigating extremely tight corridors. To the north lies Iran and to the south lies Oman, specifically the Musandam Peninsula, an Omani exclave separated from the rest of Oman by United Arab Emirates. This geography creates one of the most strategically sensitive waterways in the world. Every single day, approximately 17 to 20 million barrels of oil pass through the Strait of Hormuz. That's nearly 20% of global petroleum consumption. That means 1 out of every 5 barrels of oil used worldwide travels through this narrow channel. The countries exporting oil through this strait include Saudi Arabia, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, and Iran. Along with crude oil, vast quantities of liquefied natural gas, especially from Qatar, transits this route, making it equally vital for global energy markets. Let's rotate the map around the Persian Gulf. The countries bordering the Persian Gulf are Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, and Oman. The United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, and Kuwait are the members of the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC. The Gulf Cooperation Council is a political and economic alliance formed in 1981. Among the Persian Gulf countries, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, and the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia are the members of OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. These countries influence global oil production levels. When OPEC adjusts output quotas, it directly impacts oil prices, energy markets, and global inflation. And since so much of their oil passes through Hormuz, the strait becomes a pressure point in global geopolitics. The Gulf of Oman is also called the Gulf of Makran, is a western extension of the Arabian Sea in the Middle East. It borders Iran and Pakistan to the north, Oman to the south, and the United Arab Emirates to the west. So when you look at the Strait of Hormuz on a map, it may seem small. But this narrow corridor connects the Persian Gulf to the world. It's not just a strait, it's a global pressure valve. And in a world still powered largely by fossil fuels, the Strait of Hormuz remains one of the most strategically important waterways on Earth. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more map-based geopolitical explainers and let me know in comments which region we should explore next. Because sometimes the smallest places on the map shape the entire world. Thanks for watching.